How's it going, everybody? It is Ryan and Pam, and we're here in our eBay room. If you're new here to the channel, we buy things at yard sales, garage sales, thrift stores, local deals, that kind of stuff.
Estate sales.
Estate sales for cheap, and we sell it on eBay. And this room right here is where we do it. So it is Monday night right now, and we're packing up the things that sold today and also yesterday on Sunday. There's probably some Saturday sales in there too, but we have 8 things to ship out. It's been a decent sales last couple days. I think that has to do with the fact that we did quite a bit of listing this weekend. Got a lot of listings up and got a big dent in our death pile here because that used to be really bad. Now it's just kind of bad, you know, so. Actually, this Pokemon game right here is listed. I don't know why it's right here, but this is actually listed now. But anyway, so we're packing up orders. First thing that sold right here, this was an RA deal. If you don't know what RA means, it means retail arbitrage, meaning we bought them from a retail store to resell on eBay. And these are some like really cool cleats here. These are Under Armour highlight cleats. They're football cleats, I believe. And we got these for $20. And we have a few pair of these. There's a couple more over there. These are size 10 and a half. And we sold these. We've only had them listed for like maybe a week, and we sold this first pair already for $47.99 plus shipping. So decent flip there for an RA deal. Can't complain at all. Yeah. So next thing we sold is these right here. These are pretty nice. This is another really good sale. These are intercom, AM, FM intercom systems. Actually, no, AM. No, sorry, FM. FM wireless intercom, 3-channel intercom system. They have A, B, and C channels. We got these at a garage sale. These people were in a nice neighborhood. Really, a lot of high-end stuff at their sale. We got quite a few things there.
They were moving to Cali.
Yeah, they're moving to California. And we picked these up for, I can't remember how much we even had in them.
They had it listed for $15, but we got a bundle deal. So
yeah, so we got them for less than that. But,
they sold for $50.
Yeah, they sold for $49.99 plus shipping. So that was a pretty good sale there, can't complain. I actually listed these, and they sold, I think, the night I listed them, I'm pretty sure. It wasn't 24 hours, I know that much. But that was pretty good. What do we got next?
So then...
Next we got... Oh, that trackball thing, yeah. So if anybody's been following the channel for a while, you know that we picked up a whole lot of Atari stuff at a yard sale. Paid $50 for it all. That is all listed on our store now.
Thanks to the death pile kill.
Thanks to the death pile kill, yeah, that's all listed. I didn't bother testing any of it. I just figured that the time that it would take to put into testing everything probably wasn't worth it for the returns. For, you know, the profit margins anyway. So I decided to list everything untested and just made a bunch of bundles. But for this particular thing right here, this trackball, I listed this separately as untested as is. And these aren't super valuable, especially untested condition. I think I listed it for $15 and I got an offer for $13 plus shipping, and I took that. So decent sale there. Next, we sold this right here, this PSP console. This is the original version one. These are really highly desirable. This is the second one I've sold in the past month or so. I'll show you what it is. It's model number PSP 1001. If you ever see those for a decent price, definitely grab them. They sell extremely quickly. The first one I had that I sold like maybe a month or two ago, it sold within a day. This sold within a few hours. And this I bought at a garage sale with 3 games, actually 4 games, because there was one in it, which I didn't know about. And this little carrying case here, I bought it for $20. I tried to get her lower. You probably saw in the video. I tried to get her down lower to like 15, where it didn't have the charger or anything. But I listed it for $39.99 plus shipping, and it sold like really fast, almost instantly. I think it was only up for like an hour or 2. So that was a pretty good sale there. And I still have the other games. One of the games that came with it was the Grand Theft Auto game. This is a decent one for PSP. It's probably like a $10 game there. And then I have some other ones that aren't as like especially NBA 06. That one's not worth really anything. And then this one is just kind of a meh game. But anyway, it was still good, a good deal. Made all the money back just on the PSP plus some profit already. So can't beat that for a quick flip. Next, we sold. I know we sold a pair of boots, which are in here. We sold these Timberland boots. These were also a retail find. What size were these, Bay, that sold? Were they 9s?
They're both 9.5.
Oh, they're both 9.5 because we have 2 pairs. Okay, 9.5. Timberland boots. We got $40 plus shipping for these. I can't remember what we had into them, honestly. I don't think we're making much money on these because these were probably a bad buy. This is when we were first getting into doing some RA stuff, and yeah, kind of a bad buy, but at least we got most of our money back, and if not, we made a little profit there, but I don't think it was much, if any.
We got a bit for shipping too.
Yeah, I think we got like 15. We charged flat 15 on these for shipping, since they're boots. Anyway, next, what do we have? Oh, golf shoes, right? We've got a pair of golf shoes that we picked up at a garage sale as well. Selling a lot of garage sale items. There they are, right here. They're these Callaway. These sold very quickly. We got these at a garage sale for cheap. They had 20 bucks on them, but we got them for less than that. They're the same sale as these intercoms. Yes. Yep. And these shoes right here are brand new. They've never been worn. Still in the box. And what did we get for these? I forget what I listed them for. $32. I think I listed these for $34.99 originally. Maybe it was $39.99. I can't remember, honestly. But they sold very quickly within a day as well. So maybe I underpriced them, but that's okay. Can't complain there. For a garage sale find, I'm not going to complain. What's next? Oh, toner. We sold some toner right here. Is this the last thing?
Oh, no, there's one more.
There's one more?
Last big thing.
That's a big thing. So this toner sold. This sold very quickly as well. It sold within a day of listing. That's why it's been great that we've been listing, because we have a lot of good stuff that we're sitting on that we need to sell. This sold within a day. This is the 12A HP Laser Jet Black Toner. And it's sold for $24.99 plus shipping, I believe.
$24.99.
Yep, and we picked this up at a garage sale. It was in a video. I think we paid $2 for this. Yeah, it's $2, yeah. So nice flip there. You really can't go wrong with toner. For the most part, it sells really quickly and for good money. So.
And then last thing is burnout.
Oh, last thing is the burnout. Okay, yes. So I was just telling you about the PSP games. It's right here, yeah, because it's right on top. So that PSP came with some games, and there was actually a game inside the PSP, and I listed it separately, which I probably shouldn't have, because it's really not a big sale here. But it is Burnout Legends. It's like a racing game. It also sold very quickly. Once again, I might have underpriced it, but I don't think by much, if anything. How much does it sell for? Like $2.80 plus shipping. Yeah, really. Yeah. Just kind of a crap sale, but whatever. Extra couple bucks there. Nonetheless. Crap's a bad word?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
There's mosquitoes.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right, so we're gonna get to shipping here. We got quite a few things to box up, so we're gonna get to that, and hopefully see you tomorrow. Goodbye. All right, everybody, it is a new day, and that means we're packing up some more orders. Not a lot of orders going out today. Honestly, we haven't been able to list really all week. It's been very busy, once again, with all the wedding stuff. For example, last night, right now it's Wednesday. Last night we had a meeting with the pastor that's going to be marrying us. So that took up most of the night. And we didn't really get much done at all as far as reselling goes. But that's all right. Honestly, right now, as far as eBay goes and stuff, it's kind of a little bit on the back burner until we get our wedding behind us, because the wedding is taking up so much time and a lot of energy and planning right now, and we can't put that time into eBay right now. So this past weekend we did a lot of listing But this week we have not done much at all, so it's been a little bit slow as far as sales goes. That being said, once the wedding is over and done with, we can definitely put a lot more time into it. But, you know, with us both working full-time jobs right now, it's just kind of hard to do everything, to be completely honest with everybody. So,
I find it very easy, actually.
You find it very easy?
I wish I had like 3 more weddings to plan.
Yeah, right. You lying.
Mitzvah.
You lying.
I don't even know what a mitzvah really, and I mean no disrespect, I don't really know what it entails, but
She lying.
it sounds good.
She
I've
wants
never
it.
done it before.
She wants the wedding to be over with too.
Yes.
She's lying. Yeah. Yeah, she said yes. Okay.
Oh yeah, I want it to be over. I'm just saying I could bring it. I can handle it. Who else wants to get married? I'll be the best wedding planner ever.
Anybody out there that's had a wedding before, you probably know that it is just a lot of work.
I just want to eat cake. I didn't know that this was
I know.
so much work.
I just want to say I do eat cake and have fun. That's all I want to do. That's it. Right?
I don't even want
That's
the other
all.
2. I just want cake.
That's all. That's all we ask for. Just eat cake and
You don't even like cake. You don't
wear the
even
rings,
like
and that's it, right?
You want to eat the chicken. He wants the chicken. He wants to wear some rings. Wear a bow tie. Have some whiskey. Call it a night. And I just want
That's
to
it.
eat a lot
That's
of
all I ask for. Just a simple, fun night, fun party with all the family and
Are
friends.
you gonna dance?
Yes.
Y'all heard that he said he's gonna dance. I've never seen it, so.
We'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyway, like I said, eBay's on the major back burner right now because we're trying to get everything set up for the wedding. It's like 2 weeks away now, so we're super busy, super crazy. So,
I know.
what sold today? What sold today? So we sold. Pam already packaged it up. It's here in the poly bag. She put the label on it.
My bad.
You're good. You're good. It's a hat. What is the hat? I don't even know what the hat is.
It's Jim Beam.
Jim Beam Racing. That's right. Jim Beam Racing hat. Picked this up at Goodwill, I think, for like $1. It was like next to nothing. Maybe $2. I can't remember. Anyway, sold it for $12.99 plus shipping. Decent sale for a hat. Hats are kind of slow moving. I don't really pick them up much anymore. We have all our hats right here. Got a few left here. Got all these hats. Got these really cool cat hats here that are listed on our eBay store. They're vintage, in great condition. I don't think they've even been worn. They're cool. They've been sitting a while. I think I might have them priced a little high, but I got best offer on, so those are cool. Anyway, those are sitting there. Those are probably the best hats we have. Anyway, hats are really slow movers, so but we did sell that one for a decent profit, so can't complain there. Next item that sold was this Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories for PSP. Picked this up at a garage sale this past weekend with the actual PSP console, which we already sold. You saw in this video. PSP sells really fast for the most part, depending on what you have. If you have the original PSP consoles, those things sell like super quick. You guys saw that. I already sold that console, and then I separated the games out with it. And this was one of the games that we picked up. Grand Theft Auto. Good condition, tested working, has all the maps, it's complete. I think we got like $10, $9.99 plus shipping with this. So decent sale there, can't complain. Definitely in profit. That's probably, no, not probably. That's definitely pure profit from that deal. So pretty good. There's that one. And then finally is, like I said, guys, not a crazy sales day, but is this Open Season? I think this is actually a movie. I don't think this is a video game. Open Season for PSP. We got this at a garage sale as well. We picked this up for next to nothing because it was in a major bundle. If you guys saw, like, I think that video was called Garage Sale Score or something. When I filled the IKEA bag full of just like gold, basically, and then I got it all for $50. This was in there with all the other stuff. I didn't even know I got this when I made the deal. It was one of those deals where I just threw a bunch of stuff into the IKEA bag, And then later on, I figured out what I actually had. I just knew I had money there. But this was one of the things in there. And this sold for, I can't remember what it sold for. It sold today. You know, I'm having a brain cramp. I don't remember what it sold for, but you're seeing it on the screen. Anyway, I think it was decent. I can't remember. Honestly, can't remember. But pure profit there. We're already in profit on that whole garage sale deal. Like we've been in profit in that for a while. And we still have a lot more to sell out of that deal. But yeah, if you don't go to garage sales, guys, you're missing out big time. As far as if you're a serious reseller, you're missing out big time. We love going. We still have a ton of stuff to list from garage sales that we haven't listed yet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, seriously, everybody that is watching our channel and leaving super, super nice comments is like, oh,
super nice.
Super nice. No, like seriously, we've had so many people compliment us and just give us encouraging words.
All the stuff that's been going on, it would be easy for us to be like, guys, we're gonna break down and not do anything for a little while because of the wedding, but Brian literally gets motivated by you guys, which is very hard to motivate this young man sometimes.
It's true. It's true. It's true. I work hard, but I'm a big procrastinator.
Fun fact, wicked procrastinator.
Major procrastinator.
What's the last comment you read on YouTube?
There's one comment that stuck out to me today. Okay. I'll address it right now. One comment that stuck out to me today. No, this is serious. This is serious.
All right.
I think it was a guy from, I think his name was William. He commented on our garage sale video that we went to a garage sale that was benefiting dialysis, or like kidney dialysis. And he commented and he said that he himself was on dialysis and that we should spread awareness for people that need kidney transplants. So we are spreading right now. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what we could do. We got to do something though. There's so many things out there that people can support and help. And guys, if you feel inclined, look into a kidney organization, look into a dialysis organization or anything. Honestly, I don't really know much about it. But this man did comment on our video and told us to spread awareness for kidney disease and people who are on dialysis and who need kidneys. So seriously, look into that. That's crazy. If we can spread awareness and make one person look into it, that's a success on our end. So William, thank you for your comment, and we are absolutely going to address that, and we'll address it again in the future and spread awareness even more. I will be going away this weekend. There probably won't be any live show this Friday unless Pam wants to do something by herself.
I don't even know how to turn the live show on. That's probably not going to happen.
So there's probably not going to be a live show this weekend. I'm going up north with my best friend and also Pam's brother. We're going up to camp and we're doing some ATVing and a bunch of fun man things for my bachelor party. It's not going to be anything crazy. It'll be fun. But we're leaving tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow morning. So we'll be away. So no live show. There should be a video coming out Saturday. Hopefully.
I can use my phone.
Yeah.
Log on.
Yeah, Pam can go live on her phone. So who knows?
Something.
Who knows what's going to happen? Keep an eye on the channel.
Trust me with your channel?
It's our channel.
Yeah, but you're not going to be able to see anything.
No, you can do whatever the heck you want. I don't care. You're already logged into. She's logged into Thrift Mine on our show on her phone already, so it's fine.
Oh my gosh. Where am I going to
You've got the power.
I could take you anywhere.
No, but yeah, keep an eye on the channel. You never know what'll happen.
Maybe I'll bring them on a real bachelor party.
There you go. There you go.
Kittens. I'm just kidding.
But I will be away. So thank you guys so much for watching once again. Have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you later, right?
Oh, I'm going to see them tomorrow.
Okay, goodbye.
No, I can't promise that. Don't listen to me.
Okay, goodbye.